Want to learn tech, financial literacy, or job-ready skills for free? MTN is giving Africans access to 100% digital free courses through MTN Skills Academy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to register, sign in, and start learning today from anywhere you are. By 2025, MTN wants to help over 1 million Africans gain in-demand skills to thrive in the digital economy. Whether you want a better job, start a business, or just grow your skills, this platform is for you. And the best part is 100% free to use. Step 1, you head over to skillacademy.mtn.com. From there, you'll be on the home page. You click on register. You will now select your country from the list. There are a lot of African countries here. So this helps MTN show you the courses and the content that are relevant to your local needs and language. So I'll be selecting Nigeria. From here, you'll be taken to the authentication section where you have to sign in either with your email or with your phone number. So I'll be choosing to sign in email, but you can sign in with your MTN phone number. Which one suits you? I'll click sign in with Google, and I'll be asked to enter my email address, enter my password. So you can sign in using your email or password or Google account. Don't worry, it is safe, and then there's no credit card needed for you to do any of that. Now you are in, you'll see your dashboard over here. Then just a quick one here, you have to complete 3 basic courses to claim a seat. To access advanced additional courses, you will need to complete 3 basic courses. So once you have claimed it, you will lose your seat if you did not finish those advanced courses within the next 90 days, which is probably 3 months. You are required to finish the advanced course within the next 90 days. So that's actually what it's all about. You click on OK. Then from here, you see your dashboard where you can have access to the courses and your completion if you have done with anyone. And here is the skill part. If you want to select a skill part where you have digital skills like digital literacy, welcome to the world, foundation data skills, and these are different course categories you can pick from. Then you have your career guidance in case you want to start a survey to know where you want to go, and then your graduate program, which is actually for those who are done with this and wants to migrate or move over to global graduate program by MTN. So these are your settings over here. This is your settings section where you have any settings. So over the courses section, you have your courses which you want to do. You can click on next to go to the next page, and when you are done, if you see a course you like, you can select on it to start the course. It's gonna take you to Coursera. There are some courses that are not on Coursera, like this is actually on LinkedIn. If you click on it, it takes you to LinkedIn where you can actually start the course. So there are different courses on different platforms. So if I right click on this, you can see how it's actually linked on LinkedIn. You can start this course this way, collaboration, and you see you can do the course, continue, you read about the course. This is actually preferable if you are doing this course. But if you are doing any of these courses that's on Coursera, it's going to redirect you to Coursera. So I choose this, click on continue to Coursera. It has redirected me, telling me to confirm my country. I'll confirm I'm from Nigeria. Please continue. And it's taking me to Coursera platform. Over here, I have my default account signed into, so I'll cancel this. Sign out from my email because I have my account signed in with Coursera. That's why it's showing this. Click over here, log out from. So over here, I'll click on sign in and continue with Google. Sign in, this is my Google account, and I'm signing in. You can see the course is over here. This is actually hosted on Coursera. I can click go to course, and you can see the course loading over here. It tells you that these are the courses that are by MTN, so you can get started with the first course. There you can watch.
Welcome to the course in the specialization emerging technology from smartphones to IoT to big data.
So these are the courses. At the end, you get your certificate. At the end of this course, you get your certificate. Then if you click over here, you can have access to other recommended courses by MTN, your foundation data skills. You can see these are the courses, but these are not the advanced. So when you finish any of these 3 courses over here, you now have access to advanced skills, but these are the ones that you can actually do, which are actually paid by MTN. So when you are done with the 3 courses and it's confirmed, that is where you can now be advanced to the professional career skill you want. So this shows your progress. If you finish a course and it shows completed here, if you come here, you see that it's completed 1, 2, 3. Then you'll be taken to the advanced skill where you can pick a career path you want. As you complete courses, your progress is tracked. Some courses even offer certification of completion you can add to your CV or LinkedIn profile. This platform also supports screen readers and keyboard navigation for visually impaired learners. Just press Auto 1 to turn it on. MTN truly designed this with inclusion for all in mind. Have you tried the MTN Skills Academy yet? Let me know in the comments what course you are starting with. I'll reply and even shout you out in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this with anyone who needs it.